Best carpet cleaner reviews. Number 5. Bissell PowerLifter PowerBrush. Benefits: A. Full-size carpet cleaner with 4-row dual rotating dirt lifter power brushes. Benefits: B. Includes a removable nozzle, lens screen, built-in measuring cup, 8 ounces trial-sized formula and a 1-year warranty. Benefit: C. Removes deep down dirt and stains using hot tap water and carpet formula. Price: $84.25. Number 4. Bissell 3624 SpotClean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner. Benefits: A. 5 flex hose helps to clean spots and stains in hard-to-reach areas including stairs, upholstery, and area rugs. Benefits: B. Includes 6-step tool, 3 tough stain tool and 8 ounces professional deep cleaning formula. Benefit: C. Long reach 22 power cord. Hose length 4 feet, power rating 5.7 amps. Price: $119.89. Number 3. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner Machine. Benefits: A. Heavy-duty professional carpet cleaner that washes and removes dirt and stains for a deep-down clean. Benefits: B. Cleans on forward and backward pass, which reduces your cleaning time and dries faster. Benefits: C. Includes 6-inch spot cleaning tool, 9-foot hose, 25-foot power cord, 5-year limited warranty. Price: $399. Number 2. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Washer FH50150. Benefits: A. Easy to fill, empty and clean with smart tank system, making emptying and filling easy with no mess, no tools and no waste of time. The recovery tank comes with a quick pour spout. Benefits: B. 4 easy-to-access handles allows for easy transport with 4 different choices of handles located on the unit. Benefits: C. Automatic detergent mixing system provides the correct mix of detergent and water for optimal cleaning results. Price: $144.99. Number 1. Hoover Carpet Cleaner SteamVac with Clean Surge Carpet Cleaner. Benefits: A. Clean surge control, fingertip control, applies extra detergent to stains in heavy traffic areas. Benefits: B. Powerful 12-amp motor, has all the power needed to get floors truly clean. Benefits: C. 3-speed brush roll control, high for normal cleaning, low for gentle cleaning, off for spill pickup. Price: $148.99. Check the video description for more information.